Ever wonder which pups can thrive in the chaos of family mornings, adapt to snug apartment living, or make life easier for first-time dog parents? The truth is, some breeds are just built to be more adaptable and beginner-friendly than others. Today on Doggy Pedia, we're counting down the top 12 best dog breeds for families, apartments, and first-time owners. And some of these might surprise you. Stick around because the breeds near the top of the list are proof that the right pup can bring joy and companionship to any lifestyle. Before we dive in, take a guess. What breed do you think will take the #1 spot? Drop it in the comments and see if you're right by the end of the video. 12th, Bichon Frise. The Bichon Frise is a fluffy little cloud of a dog with a personality that's bigger than its size. Famous for their curly white coat and perky, expressive eyes, these pups are cheerful, playful, and love being the center of attention. They're naturally social, get along well with other pets, and are usually easy to train. Perfect for families or first-time dog owners who want a dog with both charm and smarts. Despite their small stature, Bichons are full of energy and need daily walks, playtime, and mental stimulation to stay happy. Their friendly, adaptable nature also makes them great for apartment living, as long as they get enough activity and attention. 11. Boston Terrier. The Boston Terrier is a compact little dog with a tuxedo-like coat that makes them look extra fancy. But these dogs are full of personality. They are naturally friendly, affectionate, and love being around their humans, making them excellent companions for families, apartment dwellers, or first-time dog owners. Because they're terriers, a little early socialization and consistent training are important in shaping a confident, well-behaved Boston. One thing to keep in mind is their brachycephalic face, which can make breathing a bit tricky, especially in hot or humid weather. Regular vet checkups, keeping them cool, and avoiding overexertion are key to keeping these tiny charmers happy and healthy. 10. Bulldog. Bulldogs are the classic wrinkly, squishy-faced charmers everyone knows and loves. They have that iconic pushed-in nose, droopy jowls, and a slow waddling walk that makes them instantly recognizable. Despite their stocky build, bulldogs are surprisingly gentle and make perfect indoor companions, enjoying couch time as much as short bursts of play. Because of their unique facial structure, bulldogs are prone to breathing difficulties, overheating, and snoring fits that can be loud and funny. Keeping their weight in check with a balanced diet and low-impact exercise, like gentle walks, is key to helping them stay healthy and comfortable. If you're enjoying this list so far, make sure to subscribe to Doggy Pedia. We've got plenty more breed guides and dog care tips on the way, and subscribing means you won't miss the insights that can help you choose or care for your perfect pup. And don't go anywhere, because the top breeds on this list are some of the most lovable companions you could ask for. 9. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a sweet, affectionate little dog with a personality that's big for their size. They love cuddles, enjoy being around people, and have just enough energy for playful games and short walks, making them perfect for apartment living. These pups are sensitive and in tune with their humans, so they thrive in homes where they get plenty of attention and gentle guidance. Despite their small size, Cavaliers can be surprisingly adventurous. They enjoy outdoor time, exploring parks, and even splashing around in water, though you might want to keep an eye on them if you're not ready for a wet, muddy puppy welcome back at home. With proper care, regular vet checkups, and lots of love, these charming spaniels make loyal and cheerful companions for many years. 8. Dachshund. The Dachshund, or Doxy, is that long-bodied, short-legged pup everyone notices on walks. They're friendly, curious, and especially love spending time with kids, making them wonderful family companions. Beyond their quirky looks, Dachshunds are full of personality. They love to burrow under blankets or cushions and think they're much bigger than they really are. Because of their unique body shape, Dachshunds need a little extra care to protect their backs. Jumping off furniture or rough play can lead to injuries like intervertebral disc disease, so it's smart to use ramps or pick them up when needed. With a bit of care, your Doxy can stay healthy, playful, and full of personality for years. 7th, Havanese. Havanese are small, fluffy charmers with silky coats and the kind of eyes that just melt your heart. These little pups are super smart, and their intelligence shines in games, tricks, and even agility courses. One thing to keep in mind is that Havanese can get separation anxiety if left alone for long periods. They thrive on companionship and love spending time with their humans, so if your day is usually packed with work, they might get a bit stressed or bored. 6. Pekingese. Pekingese are charming little pups with big personalities packed into a tiny body. They're friendly, affectionate, and usually get along well with everyone, including kids. Though it's important to teach little ones to be gentle so they don't accidentally hurt their pint-sized pal. These dogs love attention and enjoy playtime, snuggles, and being part of the family action. Because of their short, flat faces, Pekingese can be prone to breathing issues, so it's important to monitor them during exercise and in hot weather. They also have a tendency to bark more than some other small breeds, which makes early training and socialization key. With proper care, attention, and a little patience, your Pekingese can be a lovable, fun, and loyal companion for years. 5th, Maltese. Maltese are cheerful little pups with big personalities in a tiny package. Their bright eyes and wagging tails make it clear they're excited just to be around their humans. They thrive on attention and love cuddles, playtime, and being part of whatever you're doing. Basically, they're little bundles of joy who want to be your shadow. That gorgeous long coat does need some extra TLC, so regular grooming is a must, and you might find a professional groomer saves you a lot of headaches. Because they crave so much attention, Maltese can struggle when left alone, which can lead to separation anxiety, so make sure to give them plenty of interaction, mental stimulation, and short practice periods of alone time to keep them happy and confident. 4th, Pomeranian. Pomeranians may be tiny, but they've got big personalities packed into their fluffy little bodies. They're lively, curious, and love to play, which means daily walks and play sessions are a must. Without enough activity, their natural energy can turn into constant barking or mischievous behavior, so keeping them busy is key. These smart fluff balls are also surprisingly easy to train, especially if you use positive reinforcement and short, fun sessions. They thrive on attention and love being part of the family, whether it's snuggling on the couch or joining in on your daily routines. With the right balance of exercise, training, and affection, a Pomeranian can be a joyful and loyal companion. 3rd, Pug. Pugs are little comedians wrapped in wrinkly, lovable bodies. They have the kind of personality that can make you laugh even on your worst day, whether it's goofing around, doing funny little head tilts, or snuggling up in the most ridiculous positions. These pups are affectionate and love being part of the family, always ready for playtime or a cozy lap session. Because of their short, squished faces, pugs can be prone to breathing problems, especially in hot weather or during vigorous play. Keeping an eye on their activity levels and making sure they stay cool is important. Other than that, pugs are low maintenance in terms of exercise but high in personality, making them perfect little companions for families or anyone looking for a joyful, silly, and loyal sidekick. 2. Shih Tzu. Shih Tzus might look like delicate little lap warmers, but these tiny dynamos are surprisingly strong and agile. Despite their small size, they can keep up in agility courses, learn fun tricks, and have bursts of playful energy that will make you laugh. They thrive on companionship and love being around their humans, always ready for cuddles or a little mischief. Because they're so small, Shih Tzus need a gentle touch, especially around young kids who might accidentally step or squeeze too hard. Their long, flowing coat also needs regular grooming to keep them comfy and tangle-free. With proper care, supervision, and a little patience, Shih Tzus make affectionate, playful, and loyal companions for years of joy. 1. Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkshire Terriers are pint-sized pups with a lot of charm packed into their tiny bodies. These dogs aren't just cute, they're curious, bold, and surprisingly confident for their size. They love being part of the action, whether it's following you around the house, cuddling on your lap, or showing off a new trick. Their playful personality and loyalty make them a favorite among small dog lovers. Because of their long, fine coats, Yorkshire Terriers need regular grooming to prevent tangles and keep their fur healthy. They're also known for being vocal little watchdogs, so daily walks, playtime, and mental stimulation help keep their energy in check. With proper care, your Yorkie can stay spunky, affectionate, and full of personality for years to come. And there you have it, 12 dog breeds that prove there's a perfect match for every lifestyle. Whether you live in a busy household, a small apartment, or you're just starting your journey as a dog parent, the right pup can make your home happier, livelier, and full of love. Want to keep exploring? Check out our Best Dog Breeds for You playlist. It'll help you find the breeds that fit your personality and lifestyle. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe to Doggy Pedia so you never miss our next guide. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these family-friendly or first-time owner-approved breeds surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear your experiences. And if you know someone who's searching for the perfect pup, share this video with them. It could help them find their new best friend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.